Little Amy Club.
Hello, little artist. Are you ready to draw a cute shark? Let's draw together. First, let's draw the fin on top. Make a tall, pointed shape. Great start. Now, draw the shark's big body. Make a long, smooth, curved shape. Take your time. Next, let's draw the tail. Add 2 pointed shapes at the back, one on top and one on the bottom. Now let's draw the face. Add 2 little eyes. Draw a happy mouth with some tiny teeth. So adorable. Next, draw 3 curved lines on the side. These are the shark's gills. 1, 2, 3. Well done. Now let's add the side fins. Draw 1 fin near the bottom, then add another fin on the side of the body. Now it's time to color. Color the mouth and cheeks red. Color the shark blue. I leave the shark's belly white. Finally, add some darker blue shadows. Wow! Your cute shark looks amazing! See you next time! Bye-bye!